In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export source code from Emergent AI. We'll walk through the process from the project dashboard all the way to downloading your code so you can save a local copy and work with it outside the platform. This is a simple process, but there are a couple of moments where it helps to know what to expect, especially when Emergent needs a few seconds to prepare the coding environment. To begin, open your project dashboard inside Emergent AI. This is the main workspace where your app and project tools are available. If your project opens with a live preview automatically displayed, go ahead and close that preview by clicking the X icon in the top right corner. This helps clear the screen so you can focus on the code export options without the preview panel getting in the way. Next, look to the top right area of the interface and click the code button. If your project environment has been idle for a little while, Emergent may need to wake up the AI agent and prepare the code workspace. That's normal, so give it a moment if you see a short delay. The platform is basically reconnecting you to the coding environment before giving you access. Once it's ready, Emergent will show you a secure password along with a link for Visual Studio Code in the browser. At this point, copy the password exactly as shown. Accuracy matters here because even a small mistake can prevent access to the workspace. If needed, take an extra second to confirm you copied the full password correctly before moving on. After that, click Open in Browser. A prompt will appear asking for the password. Paste the password you copied, then submit it to open the web-based VS Code environment. This browser version of VS Code gives you direct access to your project files and folders, which is what you need in order to export the source code. Once you're inside the VS Code environment, download your folders. This is the final step where you actually save the source code from Emergent AI to your own device. Depending on your project structure, you may want to make sure you're downloading the correct folders that contain your app files, assets, and configuration files. It's also a good idea to keep everything organized in a dedicated local project folder so it's easy to find later. And that's it. That's how to export source code from Emergent AI using the built-in browser-based VS Code environment. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have your project files downloaded and ready to use.